That's the trouble with the NFC cards is, I mean, you can buy them off Amazon, you can buy them anywhere, and then you can program them yourself. But we want to make things as easy as possible. So we just added in this too, so that now you want to do NFC cards. We created a thing inside of it. We have a QR code manager in here, which will allow you to go and you can dynamically create a bunch of QR codes.
Yeah.
And then if you want to send that off to a printer, you can have QR codes pre-created and printed and stuff like that. So they can have, if you create a list, it'll create a whole list, a spreadsheet with all the QR codes that you want to export. You could do up to like 500 or something like that. So if you click now, you can go up to 500, give it a system descriptor. And what that's going to do, it's going to export out. Let's go podcast.
Like a use case here, again, it's going back to the restaurant. You got a restaurant with 50 tables and you want to have a sticker of a QR code per table for tracking which table. I don't know if you wanted to do that way,
You
but
you
that,
can do that. So what this is going to do though is, instead of doing a sticky on the table, what I want to do is, I mean, you could do that. You could be like, okay, well, this table left a review, but now I'm saying, hey, let's take this, let's print out 500, let's create 500 codes. It's going to give us a spreadsheet with all these QR codes in it. QR codes are the same as NFC codes, that kind of thing. We can send it off to somewhere in China or something like that, who's going to pre-print all of our cards for us. Now you've got a stack of like 500 cards. You can click on the link, you can program them.
so what
Let's
you're
see if
saying
we,
is gonna, let's say in China they'll print it out, but it'll be also NFC enabled, so it'll have both.
yeah,
Print.
so it'll have the QR code and the NFC code already on the card. Once you get the cards, you can tap it with your phone or just click the link there saying, hey, I want to do the standalone. It's going to pre-program it here for the 5 stars review page. And now we've got codes that we can use for our restaurant clients, our business clients, that kind of thing. And you just have a bunch of them that you could already use, right? That's the trouble with the NFC cards is, I mean, you can buy them off Amazon, you can buy them anywhere, and then you can program them yourself. But we want to make things as easy as possible. So it's easy to take that spreadsheet, send it to China, get 100 cards printed, they send it back to you, and then you enable them
Now,
all inside of your